Hi, this is Paul again. I've got another video to show you, and I'm calling this 3D printed ALFIE Helix segments. In my last video, integrated Helix of CubicWonder, I showed how the Helix would come out of a CubicWonder string. Let's get back to a little bit of it. As you can see, the CubicWonder string is made up of Bucky cube and Plato cubes, and they break down to Chico and Chica cubes, which are half the size. Now what's so special about CubicWonder is that it slices down in many directions. You'll have to look at my previous videos to see this. Now I also showed that you can create a perfect helix from the CubicWonder system. Okay, let's start with the yellow helix, and this is a solid helix, and you can see in this anim that it follows the CubicWonder string perfectly. I'll put this anim in reverse. Okay, I've got something else to show you that's interesting. Now what I show in front is that the yellow and the blue helix will go together and it will form a perfect cylinder. Now it's plain to see that there is a perfect three-dimensional order in front of you, and I think this proves that chaos is a load of baloney. Okay, my next job is to 3D print these swirls. Now first of all, I'm going to provide a sleeve the same diameter as the Chico cubes, and the swirls can run up the sleeve no problem. We'll reverse it back again, and then we'll use the yellow and the blue swirl, and you can see the yellow and the blue makes a swirl spot on. Okay, we'll give this assembly a little spin around. So our next job is to print the sleeve. We only have to print one swirl, because after we can change the color of the printer. Okay, first of all I'm going to show you one swirl rotating around. Okay, you can see the shaft, the green shaft and the yellow swirl that I 3D printed. I used the Bamboo A1 3D printer and it works a treat. Okay, you can see in front one swirl around the green sleeve. That is what I call an ALFIE swirl. I come up with this name, I like the name. It will probably be rejected because it's not an academic name, and I don't speak American. Okay, now I'm going to show you the yellow and blue swirls together spinning around. And you can see that the Bamboo printer done a hell of a good job. I think this is a good test for any 3D printer, because 3D printing 3D geometric order is a lot better, I think, than 3D printing scary animals to frighten kids to go to sleep. But I guess working with scary animals is a lot better than have to work in 3D geometric order. Anyways, I think I've done enough order for today. So this is Paul saying thank you very much for watching my video.